Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have come back with another video. In this video, you will get 35 plus free Udemy courses with certification. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. In the previous video, I have given a free course with free certification by Microsoft. In this course, you will learn free AI masterclass in one day with certification. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Practical Web Development 22 course in 1. In this course, you will learn PHP, HP, MySQL, MongoDB, Python, JavaScript, XML, JSON, HTML, CSS, WordPress, and more with practical examples. This course you will learn by 5 on-demand video, 5 articles, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is the Python Programming A to Z Definitive Diploma in 2021. In this course, you will learn basic and advanced Python concept to become a rockstar Python developer, Python tools, keywords, best practicing, high level description, all about variable data types, literature, techniques, importing and formatting, hand on different types of operative decision making and repetitive tasks for sequence, designing data structure, designing functional program, object-oriented design principle, file handling module and its operation, scientific computing for data with NumPy, data visualization and matplotlib and pyplot using database with Python. This course gives 5.5 on-demand video, 21 downloadable resources, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Learn to build AI assistant like Jarvis using Python. In this course, you will learn to build AI assistant to make chatbots, basic and some intermediate concept of machine learning and AI, Python language, automated tasks. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript certification course for beginner. In this course, you will learn master front-end development using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, creating stunning responsive layout using CSS, and client-side interactive of web page using JavaScript. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Bootstrap and jQuery certification course for beginner. In this course, you will learn to create fully automatic interactive mobile responsive web page using Bootstrap and jQuery library. This course is 4 on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is HTML, JavaScript, and Bootstrap certification course. In this course, you will learn master HTML and code customized stylish web page and interactive to static HTML elements using JavaScript, learn to build mobile responsive website using Bootstrap framework, create modern stylish website using the latest scripture language, learn to work with variable, conditional statement, arrays, and loop in JavaScript, master the Bootstrap grade system to create a website so web page fit all the device and screen size, learn to build stylish form in Bootstrap with complete JavaScript enabled validation, and to create stylish navigation bar and menus using Bootstrap theme elements. This course is 6.5 on-demand video, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Design Awesome Infographic to grab customer attention A to Z. In this course, you will learn infographic design A to Z. This course is 1 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next is Microsoft Certified Azure AI Fundamental Practice Test. This course is 3 practice tests, full lifetime access to mobile. The next course is YouTube Marketing Empire, the blueprint to YouTube marketing. In this course, you will learn beginner guide to how to try unlimited YouTube target traffic that converts using YouTube marketing expert strategy. This course is 8 on-demand video, 8 articles, 6 downloadable resources, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Practice Test. This course is 5 practice tests, full lifetime access to mobile. The next course is Atlassian Confluence Masterclass for Project Management. In this course, you will Confluence the complete and comprehensive course for cloud version of Atlassian Confluence for project management. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Six Sigma exam, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Certification 2021. This course is 4 practice tests, full lifetime access to mobile. The next is SAP Basic Essential Training. In this course, you will become an expert in SAP Basic design, which type of SAP Basic work for best fit your goals and expertise understanding SAP Basic team role and responsibility, start and stop SAP ERP system, how our system configure work, how system monitoring and troubleshoot work, how database administrator work, how user administrator work, how to manage background job, how output management work, how RFC work. This course includes 3.5 on-demand videos, 16 articles, 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobility and certification completion. The next is SAP project essential implementing SAP S4, HANA and SAP ERP. In this course, you will learn covering everything about the basic of SAP implementation, INS and out with SAP Activate and Excel SAP. This course includes 4-hour on-demand video, 1 article, 13 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobility and certification completion. The next is the complete SAP S4 HANA Bootcamp 2021. In this course, you will learn the most complete course available of SAP ERP and S4 HANA, 6 hours of videos, activities, demos, quizzes, and more. This course is 5.5 on-demand videos, 17 articles, 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV and certification. The next course is photo editing with free software. In this course, you will learn how to use PZAP, Darktable, and Photoscape. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 3 articles, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is designing with basic shape and outline in Illustrator. In this course, you will learn designing with basic shape and outline in Illustrator, in-depth tips and techniques. 1.5 on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Lightworks video editing. In this course, you will learn how to edit video clips, learn how to edit movie, learn how to edit photo or Photoshop using Lightworks. This course is 2-hour on-demand video, 2 articles, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is trick to create excelling YouTube channel. In this course, you will learn how to create YouTube account from scratch. You will learn how simple tips to grow YouTube channel within the shortest possible time. You will notice example of different YouTubers making high amount of money on their YouTube monetization. Learn different types of YouTube idea, edit video, thumbnail, and end screen using free online tools. Know more about YouTube search engine optimization. Follow some successful YouTubers which will help you to better their skills. Upload their first video on YouTube. Tricks to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Learn how to make quality video with free online tools. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, access mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Space Runner 2.0. Transform your podcast into videos in 2021. In this course, you will learn incredible tools to record podcasts extremely fast and easily. Learn about amazing cloud-based tools for turn content into audio. Learn new age tools for podcast live streaming and to turn your podcast episode into video automatically. Get know about a website builder to create a beautiful website for your podcast in minutes. Get know about the tools that will help you to podcast monetization and turn your listener into customer. Get know about the tools will convert your podcast to Alexa skills in minutes. This course is 35 minutes on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Membership Site, Membership Recurring Home Business Model. In this course, you will learn why membership sites are perfect for passive income, the different types of membership site, and some successful examples how to build your membership site, membership plan structure and pricing, the best content for offering in membership site, increasing the value of membership site to retain member longer, how to promote your membership site, how to maintain your membership site, advanced concept and strategy for membership site. This course in 2.5 on-demand video, 16 articles, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is e-commerce website, Shopify, Dropship, Amazon and more. In this course, you will learn how to start with e-commerce. Why now it's time to get started with e-commerce and position yourself for big profit, how to find products will sell like crazy, the best platform to use, set up your first e-commerce store if you don't know have the technical skills, the fastest way to get traffic and start making money right away with your new e-commerce business, the insider take to get product to sell without having to store your own inventory, plus a whole lot more about e-commerce and dropshipping over your Shopify, WooCommerce, Alibaba, Amazon, eBay, and many more ahead. This course unit 10.5 on demand video 14 article 10 downloadable resources full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is work from home, the Amazon MBA Masterclass. In this course, you will build an online fast and easily selling retrieval simple product on Amazon. This course in 3 hour on demand video, 3 article, 23 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Webinar Empire, easiest way to deliver your webinar content. In this course, you will learn beginner blueprint of a successful webinar, take advantage of the power webinar to connect, engage and sell. This course is 1.5 on demand video, 6 article, 3 downloadable full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Management Consulting, SSL Trading. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know about the techniques of world's top management consulting firms of land 6-figure jobs offer. This course is 8.5 on demand video, 15 article, 13 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Time Management and Productivity for Effective Time Management. In this course, you will learn time management for professional and personal productivity hacks, whether you are work from home, office or MBA student. This course is 1.5 on demand video, 2 articles, 32 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Anxiety for Accessible. In this course, you will learn scientific proven techniques to overcome anxiety. This course is 1.5 on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Corporate Accounting for Beginners. In this course, you will learn corporate accounting and accounting for issue of share. This course is 1.5 on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Ketogenic Diet, Lose Weight and Reboot Your Metabolism, Keto. In this course, you will learn the basic keto diet, so such as maximize their chance of success. Student won't stick at a rigid system like a typical diet training. Student will work for the existing diet and student will switch gradually overcome ketogenic diet and you will stay there. Student will experience less psychology internal assistance for life change. Student will learn more pounds going and you will set them remain goal with your keto advice. This course is 1 hour on demand video, 3 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Introduction to a Basic to Melt and Pure Soap. In this course, you will learning and understanding these types of soap will give you strong knowledge of ways and create your own unique soap. This course is 2.5 on demand video, 1 article, 1 downloadable series, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Ultimate Turkish Language course. In this course, you will learn foundation of Turkish language with conventional tone from beginner to upper intermediate. This course is 2.5 on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course is Introduction to Basic Course English course. In this course, you will learn the basics of English language, the alphabet, basic sentence structure, greeting, numbers, time, date, tense, basic conversion. This course is 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV and certification completion. All the course links are given in the description. Enroll as soon as possible before the course expires. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.